I see Toby's head. Toby's a maniac. Oh, shit. You good?
Oh, no, dude, I'm totally fine. That fucked off.
Oh, let's slow.
Oh!
Yeah. You good?
Oh, dude, I'm totally fine. The bike is not okay.
The bike looks fine. That was tough, dude.
I touched my keg and it just slid out.
Yeah. Dude, the one place to do it, this is the best place to do it.
Are you okay? I didn't get hurt at all.
Yeah.
Alright, go start? Oh yeah.
Yeah, bike runs.
But it just, I like hit my peg and it just slid out. I got a good adrenaline rush. Well, this is really a bad place to be. Can you ride up to the place where everybody pulled off? Yeah. Alright, what did I do there? Scared the hell out of me.
Dude, good thing you're alright, man.
Yeah. The bike looks fine. It's got a little scrape.
Oh.
That's perfect. Oh, your brake got a little scrape too.
Low-sided.
Low-sided?
Yeah, my peg hit the ground and it slid out. Look at the brake pedal.
Yeah.
Oh,
Delta?
that's
Yeah.
scary.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, not at all.
You didn't get hurt?
Not at all.
Good thing you're wearing protection.
You didn't get hurt. That's
Hold this,
the
hold this.
important.
Yeah.
So,
I was actually nervous about the motorcycle.
no, I'm worried about you get motorcycle. Motorcycle is a big deal.
You know, brake pedal in the bar end and wouldn't really know.
In the mirror. That's it.
That was
What
so-
happened? You were too much aside or what?
The peg hit the ground and then
Oh, this was the touching it?
No.
No.
The foot peg.
Foot peg. He
Peg snagged the ground and then it just forced me over. No, but really, I'm totally fine. I've eaten crap a lot harder than that on a dirt bike.
Okay.
But
Yeah, we've got a mirror, and I think we've got I'm not too sure if we've got a braking. It looks alright.
it chewed it up, man. He leaned over so far, his foot hit, and it made him go bonk.
Huh.
But did you
guys see it
high
happen?
side after?
No.
Low-sided
Video, I
totally.
have it on
Here you
video.
go.
No
Oh, he's got
way.
video and I've got
So,
photos.
No, that's good. Or actually not.
Not really, but
All right, well, let's get off of this turn. This
is a bad
place to be.
Yeah. Let's see.
Well, it'll definitely start. It just started a second.
Do I want to see it or not?
not really. It's like
Let's see.
it's only like this far, so it was very, very slow. Nothing to it.
That was intense. That's what I don't want to happen. That's what I'm afraid of happening.
The height.
And you know, it was probably because we were there. Would that have happened if we weren't here?
Well, now you see it.
Pushing it so it looks good for us.
Yeah.
Let's go.